Hey guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So today I am super excited because I am going to unbox my first ever anime action figures from Meesho. I have been waiting to share this moment with you all, so let's dive straight into it and let's see how these figures turn out. The box is actually pretty big and the packaging looks really good, so let's unbox it. I had ordered all the figures from Shopping Nest, and the link of all these figures are in the description. So finally the unboxing and assembling of this action figure is done. Now let me do a quick review. So first of all we have the action figure of Naruto. The details are pretty good for the price and the colors are really very good. It is looking really very good in my collection. Next is Goku's action figure, and this one looks awesome. The pose is dynamic and finishing is decent. Definitely a cool addition to my collection. And finally the biggest one, Zoro. Just look at this. The size is impressive and the details on this figure are good and decent. Assembling of this action figure took a lot of time, but believe me, it's worth it. Overall, I am really happy with how these figures turned out. Let me know in the comments which one you liked the most, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more anime content. And also, I will see you in 2025. Till then, take care and bye bye. Happy New Year in advance.